Hey everybody, it's Seth Jones, Editor-in-Chief of Athletic Turf News. I'm here at the 2021 GIE Expo Show, and I'm being joined by Josh Sooy. So Josh, thanks for taking the time to chat with me today. You guys have a new innovation here at the show. It's pretty interesting. Talk to me about what we're standing in front of here.
Sure. So this is called our SurePath system, and the unit that you see here is our basic 900 series. It's been around for years, tried and true. But what we've added into it is the ability to run this off a GPS. So what that does, it allows you to mow perfectly straight lines and then very minimal overlap as well. And then we've also added in an auto turn at the end of it. So you just hit a button, it turns perfectly, a very fast turn without turfing or any of that. So it's been really interesting to see the customers really latch onto this and use it in their applications through all of our testing. But it really drives some really great efficiencies because of that reduced overlap. What we're seeing in testing is most operators overlap about 13 inches. They don't believe that, but in a lot of our testing we've seen that. And this goes all the way down to 3.8 inches of overlap. So all that savings coming from that overlap allows you to go out and mow new accounts and pick up new business. And then on top of that, you got really nice, perfect straight lines and stripes. So.
Now I know everybody likes straight lines, but who is it most important? Like, who do you think is going to find that laser perfect GPS line most valuable?
So you've got large properties of very high-end homeowners that are going to like the appearance of it. But then you've also got ball fields, sports complexes, you've got corporate campuses, any of those bigger commercial properties that really like the appearance of it, but then you also get all that savings from the efficiency as well.
Okay, so Josh, you were telling me that when you were talking about the overlap, and it was something that I really hadn't thought of before, but you say that there's probably about 13 inches of overlap, but the guy mowing doesn't really see it that way. Have you figured out how much time that might be? Like, is there a way to equate that to how much faster they're going to get off a property?
Yeah, so we just factoring in the overlap, per hour you should be able to mow about 0.5 to 1 additional acre per hour. So it's pretty significant savings in being able to mow that additional.
Is it hard to get the setup on the first go round for the operator to get this? How does it? Can you describe that process?
Yeah, it's very simple. So once this is all hooked up, you end up going. It does an A point and a B point that you set with just one button. Once that's established, that goes and draws that pattern across that property and even like the entire state. So if you're mowing something huge, you're going to have those same line patterns set up across everything until you shut the machine off. So they set that pattern up, and then all they're doing from then on out is hitting left and right on the buttons.
So what's the guy going to do when is he bored at that point? I mean, so you just got to sit there at this point, right? So yeah. After each pass, it's a long pass, then they hit a button, or is it just you just sit for the ride?
So he's just turning left and right at the end of each pass, and it's tremendous amount less fatigue, because when you're concentrating on keeping a line, especially at some of the faster speeds, really wears you out. And this also minimizes movement too. You're not turning a steer wheel or working lap bars. All you're doing is hitting that button. So it is quite relaxing. It's fun to run the machine.
Might have to get like a good podcast going on or something like that too, while you're doing it. So cool. Well, hey Josh, thanks for showing me the machine. It's very cool, very interesting, and to see what you guys are doing here at Cub Cadet.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, everybody, thanks for watching. I'm Seth Jones. This is Josh Sooy. We're at the Cub Cadet booth. Thanks for watching us here on Athletic Turf News.